Here we have question 15 of section 3 of the 2022 SAT. Now, let's read the question. The half-life of a certain substance in an aquatic environment is about 150 years. Which of the following exponential functions best models the amount a of t in grams of the substance t years after 200 grams of the substance is applied to the aquatic environment? The half-life is the length of time needed for an amount of the substance to decrease to 1/2 that amount. Where we have a is a of t is equal to 150 times 1/2 raised to the power of t over 200. B is a of t is equal to 150 times 1/2 raised to the power of 200t. C is a of t is equal to 200 times 1/2 raised to the power of 150t. And D is a of t is equal to 200 times 1/2 raised to the power of t over 150. Now, let's highlight the key facts in the question. The first one is 150 years. The next one is a of t in grams. The next one is t years. What do we think is the last one? That is correct, 200 grams. Now, let's write down the formula that will help us to solve this question. So we have the amount remaining is equal to the original times the half-life raised to the power of time over the half-life of the substance. Now, let's color the formula so it matches what we used when we highlighted the key facts in the question. Now, let's write it a little cleaner. So now we have a of t is equal to a sub original times the half-life raised to the power of t over t sub half-life. Now we have to figure out where the numbers go. 200 goes for the a sub original, half goes for half-life, and 150 goes for t sub half-life. So now we have a of t is equal to 200 times 1/2 raised to the power of t over 150. This means D is the answer. That is question 15 of section 3. Before we move on, let's talk about why this is the answer. Well, it will take 150 years before the exponent is 1. Then our original number, 200, will be cut in half. How long do we think before the substance will be cut in half again? That is correct, another 150 years, or a total of 300 years, which means our exponent will be 2. That is question 15 for section 3. And remember, there's always tomorrow.